Being a YouTuber can be really exciting. Trust me, it's very exciting. But let's be real, it's easy to make mistakes. Like it's natural to make mistakes as a YouTuber. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the worst YouTuber mistakes ever. And trust me, you will want to avoid them at all costs. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I make videos about YouTube beginner education and CapCut tutorial. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please like and subscribe. So the first mistake that YouTube creators normally make is when they ignore their audience. A lot of creators are usually guilty of this crime. Like they are really guilty. A lot of them. They just focus on creating videos, they ignore their comments, they ignore their audience. When your audience asks questions, you don't reply their comments, you don't answer their questions. When you do this, you're harming yourself, you're destroying your channel. So try to listen to your comments, try to listen to your audience, and also try to differentiate between constructive criticism and negative criticism. Just try to differentiate between the two because some people might actually want the best for your channel. So be able to differentiate between the two. And also always check your analytics. It's your cheat sheet to success. So just try it out. The second mistake I'll be breaking down is inconsistent posting schedule. A lot of creators are usually guilty of this crime. So imagine you're just scrolling on YouTube and you find an interesting video and you watch the video and then you subscribe to the channel only to be waiting for them to upload another video, but they don't. You'd have to wait for weeks before they upload another video. So this kind of thing is not good. So as a creator, you need to always be consistent. You need to always post videos consistently. Like try to create a good posting schedule, even if it's just once a week. It's going to help your channel. It's going to help you it's going to help you really well. So always post consistently. It's for your audience, it's for yourself. When you do it, everybody will be happy. The next mistake is quantity over quality. What do I mean by quantity over quality? A lot of creators usually think that the more videos they post, the more their channel will pick up the pace and they will get monetized and all that. But that's a big lie. That's a big fat lie. You need to focus more on the quality of your videos. So if your videos don't stand out, if your videos are not unique, you're just wasting your time. You need to focus on creating quality videos, even if it's just one quality video every week. Your channel will still perform well. Your channel will still do well. Stop posting. There was one channel I was scrolling on YouTube the other day, and I saw a channel with I think 500 and something subscribers, and the videos were like 1 point something k videos, and this person is not yet monetized. I checked, I scrolled through the videos, the views were just low. This person is always uploading videos, maybe 3 videos every day. This is killing your channel. You need to stop posting so much videos. Try to create a good video. Try to settle down and create a very nice video. Then when you post it, people will watch it. Create video that is worth watching. So now let's talk about the next mistake that YouTubers normally make. This one is called chasing trends blindly. Let me explain how they do that. Some creators, just because people are doing so a kind of trending videos that get lots and lots of views, they will decide to do it. So when you just do it, especially when that trend does not align with your niche, you're going to confuse your audience and you're going to lose your identity. You don't just jump in any bandwagon, like you don't do that. You need to do things that relate with your niche, the things that relate with the kind of videos you post normally. The other day I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw this channel that has that posts anime videos and all that. Then as I was scrolling down, I saw anime videos and I saw like all these African folk tales. Like how does anime and African folk tales relate together? Just because maybe African folk tales are trending now, you don't start doing African folk tales just because they're trending. You need to focus on your anime videos. So try to do videos that relate to your niche. Don't confuse your audience. So let's talk about the next mistake that creators usually make, and this is when they neglect their thumbnail and title. Some creators usually do this very well. Like your thumbnail and your title are really important because they are the first thing that the viewer will see. It is your thumbnail and your title that will hook the viewer. So you need to spend time crafting it. You need to spend time to like craft it so that it will spark some kind of curiosity so that people will click your video and watch your video. There are some times that I'll be looking at my comments, I'll be seeing questions like, my videos are no longer getting views. What do I do? Then when I check the video, the said channel, I'll be seeing that the thumbnail is not even attractive. They're using clashing colors. The title is not even like nothing. So you need to really spend time crafting your thumbnail and your title. That's why I advise you to use vidIQ. When you use vidIQ, there is a feature on vidIQ that will check check out your title and your description. It will literally give you a score. So when you create your videos and you put your title and you put your thumbnail, this tool will check out, like it will scan your title and your thumbnail and give you a score. So if the score is high, that means that the title and the thumbnail is actually good. So try to use vidIQ and your title and your thumbnail will be okay. So guys, in case you're interested in using vidIQ, there is a link in my description box. When you click that link, you'll be able to register and have access to all these amazing features that I just mentioned. They would like There's so many good things that you can see on vidIQ. It's going to help you come up with titles, tags, and all that, and description to like including thumbnails. So all these things are there. So just click the link and register, and everything will be okay. Your videos will start getting better. So just try it. This next mistake that I'm about to break down is kind of related to your title and your thumbnail. And this mistake is when creators ignore their description, their tags, their SEO, and all that. Like I said before, vidIQ will help you with all these things. vidIQ will help you craft a good description, give you tags that will help your videos rank, like come up with good words, like good relevant words that you can use for your title. So just try to use vidIQ and your title, tags, description, thumbnail, everything will be sorted out for you. Click the link in my description box and you'll be able to have access to all these amazing features. And by the way, guys, if you've not subscribed to this point, I wonder why. Please help me by subscribing. The final mistake is giving up. Giving up. A lot of creators, whenever they post videos, they post videos consistently. Their thumbnail and title is good. Their everything is good. Their description, everything is good, but they don't have views. They don't have subscribers. They're not monetized. A lot of YouTubers are on YouTube just to get monetized, to be honest. So when they don't get these things, they're going to give up. They're going to give up and they'll stop posting videos. So the worst mistake that you ever make as a YouTuber is to give up. Please don't give up, because when you give up, everything that you've worked for will be in vain. And you never know if the next video, like the very next video you will post, you don't know if that video will be your breakthrough video. So just keep on posting. Never give up. Giving up is not for you. Don't give up. Keep on going and keep posting. Everything will be okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comments which of these mistakes are you guilty of. Which one are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. Me, I'm guilty of some of these mistakes. I am not a saint. I am not innocent. I've done some of these mistakes. So just share with me in the comments and I'll be there to interact with you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified anytime I post new content. Thank you so much, and please watch this video showing on your screen right now.